gross models, welcome to issue 89 of building the 1966 Batmobile. In episode 89, still season 2 from March 16th, 1967, we've done with King Tut. We are now working with the Black Widow and the Bat Poles. There we go. It's the one where Batman and Robin are caught in a spider's web. By Death's Eerie Light is obviously that one. Someone's been electrocuted, or I don't know who he is. Dr. Phosphorus, apparently. I don't really know that one. So there we go. In Batman 11, Part 1, 2011, Year of the Big Idea. Batman going out into the world with other Batmen, by the looks of it. I don't know about that. There we go. That absence. Okay. It's actually got a hole in her head. That's not normal. But there you go. Right, so in this part, we've got the first of the main body panels. What have we got? The rear of the Batman's body frame. So we're not actually building it, we're disassembling it. We've got to take off the shipping beams ready for next time when we start building stuff onto it. So let's clear this out of the way and let's have a look. So here we are. This is what we've got. This is the start of the main piece. Got the little fins on there. Now this is already slightly disassembled, but disassembly is the name of the game. We've got to take off these two struts because they're only there to hold everything secure while it's in the packaging, stop it getting bent and flexed and things. So that comes off there. This one comes off of the other side. There's no need to keep them or the screws. They're not being used for anything else. So they can be disposed of. And there we have a nice shiny black panel with the red highlights, obviously. There we go. That is the end of this issue's build. Next time we're getting another body part, which we're going to add to the side of this, I think. So thank you very much for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon for more. Bye-bye for now.